Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. React Native and KMP, which is also known as Kotlin multi-platform, are both used to build cross-platform applications, but they follow a very different approaches. React Native is a cross-platform framework developed by Meta. It allows you to build Android and iOS apps using JavaScript or TypeScript. KPM, on the other hand, which stands for Kotlin Multi-Platform, is developed by JetBrains. Instead of sharing the UI, KMP mainly focuses on sharing business logic across different platforms. Let's go into the feature details and have a tabular comparison to understand things better. So as far as the code sharing is concerned, React Native is UI plus business logic, whereas Kotlin only defines the business logic. It does not goes into the user interfaces. React Native uses native components via bridge, while KMP is fully native UI per platform. Programming language, React Native uses JavaScript or TypeScript, while KMP uses Kotlin. The performance for React Native is near native, while KMP is fully native. Best for React Native is best for fast cross-platform apps. On the other hand, KMP is native focused and has scalable architecture. So the big difference between both of these is that the React Native shares UI plus logic, whereas KMP shares logic but keeps UI fully native. So this is all for this comparison. I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and I will be seeing you in the next one.